Hi, hello, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Vyanca and I live and travel out of my self-converted SUV with my tiny dog Diesel. And today we are going on a hike. So Diesel and I are in Alabama, right at the border of Tennessee. And there is a hike called the Walls of Jericho. It is a waterfall hike. I believe they said something around 6 hours round trip. It is like 8, almost 9. I'm going to get my lunch and snacks ready to take with us. They say that this trail is okay for dogs, but it also is kind of hard for them. And obviously anything is hard for Diesel. I'm fully prepared to carry him most of the time. I am going to bring his backpack. Let's get started. I'm going to make myself some hot chocolate before we head out. And I'm going to bring back a lovely backpacking tradition, which is cold soaking. So I'm going to put this ramen in here with some water. By the time I'm ready to have lunch, it'll be nice and cooked. I have no idea where my tripod is, so we're just gonna try to, I'm actually gonna put some protein in there. Snacks. Lunch. Breakfast. Power station. Power station. Power bank. Look at this drama queen. Look at him. What? His Diesel. I'll put this in here until I need to put him in there. The drama. An inhaler. Oh, cool. A nail. Diesel, if you pee on every tree on the way there, we're never gonna get there. I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries, traveling with the storm. But I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. I tried. This isn't the end, but I just wanted to stop here so Diesel and I can have a little snack and some water. So pretty. Diesel, you go up there. I will find a way up somehow. With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way. How will I call? How will I call? How will I call? I can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake. A limbo dance, such a fine romance. Bit by bit, I am slowly waking. I have more. I only gave him a little bit just to see if he was hungry. Second round. He ate it all. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's hungry. Cars. So I hiked around 7.5 miles, 1,800 feet elevation gain, and it took me like 4 hours. Wow, I'm dead. Oh my goodness, my legs hurt. That was fun though. I'm disgustingly sweaty and stinky, so I have decided that tonight I'm gonna stay at a campground. I might do something crazy and stay 2 nights just so I can relax. A day with no driving, no figuring out where Diesel and I are gonna sleep for the night. And then I am meeting a friend of mine. I don't know exactly where. I told her that I would do some research. That is on my to-do list when I'm at the campground. Shower is definitely most important and first and foremost. I'm gonna make myself a wrap. I'm a little hungry. It's gonna take an hour and like 40 minutes to get to the camp spot. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. passed out.
Without your love.
Okie dokie, so we made it here. Today. It's cold. So it's supposed to rain today and tomorrow. And I kind of just didn't want to deal with anything. Let me just chill. First of all, it's freezing. It's so cold out there right now. Kind of high in elevation. This is Cherokee Rock Village. It feels so good to be clean. I did find a spot. None of the spots are really that level, which is kind of annoying. But yes, I'm complaining, but I'm not really complaining. You know what I mean? Protein. I didn't know that they did strawberry banana. So I saw that and I was like, I need that. I'm trying to decide if I want to pop up my tailgate tent. Probably. Why are they lying to me? It's clearly just the regular strawberry. And I took this out to defrost. It is brats, potatoes, and peppers. Diesel is having an actual cow. Can I help you? Is there a reason why you're crying? What? What are you looking at? Sometimes I'm pretty sure like he like points at things by looking at them. For example, when I have his food and I haven't hand fed him for a little bit, and then I stop and he'll look at it and he'll look at me like, excuse you. Why don't you go back to taking a nap? Stressing me out. Yeah, it's 4 and I am done with my day. Diesel. What are you doing? I'm kissing. What are you doing? Listen, it's cold. It's raining. I hiked for 4 hours today. I don't know where I was. I know I showed you guys the first book. Well, I finished the first book. Now I'm on the second book. I think I already told you that. I'm like halfway done with the second book. What happened to my bookmark? Oh, there it is. Not in the bookmark place. Anyways, I'm gonna read for a little bit. I'm probably gonna take a little nap. It's not supposed to be raining all night. It's supposed to stop in a couple of hours. So when that does happen, I'll put on my tailgate tent. But right now I'm clean. I'm cold. I just want to be cozy. You know what I mean? So I typically do not cook inside. However, I'm really just heating this up a little bit, so I can't be bothered to go outside.